Kanangra is an adventure playground about 3 hours' drive west of Sydney. There are hundreds of bushwalks and several canyon-like creeks that drain from the Kanangra tops. One of those creeks is Arabanoo Creek, the upper section being a short day's trip from the car with 6 main obstacles. A short walk from the car leads to the dance floor cave, where we left the maintained track and descended down an easy open creek to Arabanoo Creek. The first waterfall was not too far downstream, the large trunk in the middle of the creek being our anchor for the 20-metre abseil. We managed to stay dry by abseiling down the 2 tree trunks wedged into the drop. Another short walk takes us to the second waterfall. We used a tree at the right for our anchor and abseiled about 35 metres down to the junction with First Ascent Creek. Just after the junction with First Ascent Creek is a water jump, or a short abseil.
I did touch that with my hand and something with my foot at the bottom, but it's deep.
This was our only swim of the trip, which could have been avoided with a circuitous climb around. The fourth obstacle looked like quite a large drop from the top, but was actually only about 30 metres down a beautiful water runnel. We used a tree just to the left of the drop for our anchor. The fifth drop is immediately after the fourth. Melissa startled a snake right on the edge, and it panicked, slithered away across the creek and got swept over the falls. The snake survived the 15-metre drop and hid from us under the water. We were all very nervous getting off the rope in the knee-deep pool at the bottom, but the snake and us, we all survived to tell the tale. We wandered downstream a while, thinking we had completed all of the falls, but one final long drop remained. There were several slings equalised between a tree and a boulder on the right-hand side, which we used for our anchor. We abseiled the 40 metres down and landed on a ledge, managing to stay dry once more. We wandered a little more downstream, then exited out a ridge to the east, which leads up to the Maxwell Top track and back to Kanangra Walls. We had made good progress through the nice open creeks and made it back to the car within 6 hours. Arabanoo Creek is pretty, and it's a worthwhile trip for anyone with a few hours to spend in the Kanangra Walls area.